Pantry Picks. This is your boy Hot Rod, and we're gonna do something really nice today from our pantry. So this is called Pantry Picks, where we take items that are common in your pantry and we make a meal out of them. So one of the things we're gonna do today is jerk shrimp, and then we're gonna make a Thai peanut Brussels sprouts to go with this. And we're gonna put this shrimp over rice. We're gonna make it taste good, we're gonna make it look good, and we're gonna make you feel good when you make it at home. So here are some of the items you'll need. We have the extra virgin olive oil, we have the soy sauce, we have garlic, crushed red pepper, peanut butter, Jif by the way, and I'm not working for them, rice wine vinegar, honey, our jerk seasoning we'll put on the shrimp. We got 2.5 cups of rice, Brussels sprouts, Thai coconut milk, onions, and cilantro. And then we're gonna add the shrimp later, so we'll show you how we put this together and make a meal. So first thing we're gonna do is we'll add like a tablespoon or two of olive oil. And we're gonna toast our rice a little bit. We're gonna throw that rice in there. So first we pour in this rice. This oil is hot. It's just gonna toast this a little bit. So set it there. Get that stir. Get that rice coated. I'm gonna take a little bit of salt and add it in here. I season my stuff. And that's cook that rice pretty good. It's gonna cook, but we want it to toast a little bit, so we're gonna let it brown. And then after it browns a little bit, we will add some garlic to this so it can cook in also. So I put the rice in here with the oil. I let it toast for about 3 minutes. After about 3 minutes, then I went ahead and put 1/2 tablespoon of garlic in here. And then I let it toast for another 1.5 minutes. But we want to get this turned and moving because we don't want the garlic to burn. Because once that garlic burns, it can give a bitterness to the taste. So if you look in here, you can see some of this rice is getting darker as we go. So we're gonna go ahead and add this 13-ounce can of coconut milk. So we'll stir that in. 1/3 of a cup of water. We'll let that simmer, and after it starts simmering, we'll put a lid on it and turn it down and let it cook for approximately 12 minutes until it's done. We'll set it aside, and then we'll add this to our dish when we complete it. So here are your Brussels sprouts. If you've never seen these before, they're basically part of like the cabbage family. So these are really nice. You can get some bigger ones than this if you want. I like the smaller version because they don't take as long to cook. You cut off this stem part, the root part. This grows on a stalk. So if you've never seen them before, it grows on a stalk, so you have to break them out. So when you're prepping these, you have to cut that part off, and then I cut them in half. Just so, like that. So you have to go through all of these singularly, and you do that, and then you would wash them, set them aside, dry them off with a paper towel, and then you can prep them. Oil, salt, pepper, whatever you're gonna use to impart your flavor. So I'll show you how that works here shortly and kind of go over what we're gonna add to these to make these special. So I got these cut up, like I said. Now we're gonna dry them off. I got them rinsed off, kind of washed them, tossed them in some water. So we're just gonna put these out. take this onion, I'll take the bulb of the onion, and we're gonna take this and put this in there with that. And then, I don't know if you see this, but I took the top off so I can use this at the end to garnish and to make it look really fancy and make it look good and add flavor when you're eating. So some people hate raw onions, but just the stem, what they call sometimes scallion, is really good. So you take that at the end and you add that, and that imparts some flavor also. So we'll take that and take a little bit of salt. Take a little bit of this pepper. Garlic. Drizzle some olive oil on there. You can be a little heavy, a little light, but this is gonna just toast it. It gets between the core and the leaves, and when it cooks up, it toasts up really well. There you go. And we'll get this into our cast iron skillet. We'll heat it up. We'll just put very little oil in there because we already got this oil when we put this in the bowl and tossed it. So add just a little bit of oil just to get that coated. Get a slight little char on them, toss them around. I know y'all can't smell this, but I can, and it smells so good. So I'm gonna cook these in this skillet for about 3 to 4 minutes, just kind of tossing, trying to get all of them touched on the bottom of the skillet, little char on them. And then we'll throw them in a preheated oven. It's 375 degrees. We'll throw it in there. We'll watch them, let them get toasted. Might have to toss them a couple of times in there. And then we'll pull them out. And we'll add our peanut sauce, our Thai peanut sauce to them. So while our Brussels sprouts are cooking, we're gonna go ahead and prepare the shrimp that we're gonna use, the jerk shrimp that we're gonna use for our meal. And so we purchased wild peeled and deveined shrimp from Texas. So we got our shrimp here. That's probably just about a pound, a little bit over a pound. And then we have our Grace's jerk seasoning, which is one of my favorites. I use this on my oxtails, my chicken, and then I use some other Grace items on my chicken too. But this seasoning here is one of the best. So I'll put a liberal amount of this on there. Try to get all that shrimp covered in some of this seasoning. Then we'll take some cilantro. I don't need all of that, but we're gonna do that there. A little bit of oil. Never leave out the garlic. If you got fresh garlic, that's great too. But ever since they put these in a jar, if I can make it convenient for myself and have things around the house that other people have in their pantry, I'll just go ahead and use garlic like this. And then I'll just take a shot of the rice vinegar and put it in there. And we'll mix that by hand, let it sit for about 10 minutes. And then we're gonna put this in the skillet and toss it and get it ready to top the rice with. We'll take this straight off the fire, turn that fire on. Look at that. We'll throw these in the oven and let them get nice and brown. We'll toss them a couple of times, and then we'll season them up a little bit more. We're gonna make the Thai peanut sauce. We'll get that together, and when those are done, we're gonna toss it in there, and it's gonna be so delicious. So just hang on, we'll be right back. So now we're gonna get into the Thai peanut sauce. So we'll get a couple good scoops of peanut butter. And then we're gonna take some more of the rice vinegar. Put some of that in there. A little bit more of the olive oil. There's already oil, as you know, when you make peanut butter, so we'll do that. Some crushed red pepper. Depends on how hot you want it. We like it a little spicy around here. Some honey. And I chopped up enough cilantro, throw a little bit of cilantro in there. So what you do is you just take this, you heat it up, and that'll melt the peanut butter down. Take your whisk, you just keep mixing it as it heats up, and it'll break down the peanut butter, and it'll make a nice little sauce for you. So we'll do that, and we'll show you how it looks at the end, but it's really as simple as that. So one of the final things we're gonna do is cook the shrimp, and we're gonna do this last because it cooks the fastest. There's not a need to cook it for a really long time. So we'll drop it in the skillet, get it going, cook it on high, and let it do its thing. All right, here's a look at what they start to char. It's starting to look like. So we're about done with these almost. I'm gonna put them in there for maybe another minute, and that's it. So what you have here are the Brussels sprouts. Some people may look at these and say they're burnt. This is what they're supposed to look like. These Brussels sprouts are perfect. They're tender on the inside, a little crisp on the outside. Oh my. So what we're gonna do now, I'm gonna go ahead and put them back into the bowl. So we'll put that there. And we're gonna take the sauce we made. This is the peanut sauce. Look at that. That's good stuff right there. And we're gonna pour this over. We'll save just a little bit. And you just toss this. And some people like for texture and for taste, some people take some peanuts, crunch them up, break them down, and put this on top of these when you put it on your plate. But I don't need all that. I like it just like this, so I'm gonna do it my way. So that's this. We're gonna pull the shrimp forward, let you see what the shrimp look like. And we got our rice done. We're gonna take this, plate it, and then we'll show you the finished product. So here we go. We have the Thai peanut Brussels sprouts, glazed just perfectly. Then we have the jerk shrimp. And then we have the coconut rice. And for those that like a little spice, we take a little sriracha and put it over here. So you can just kind of dip your shrimp in it. Bam, that's what I'm talking about. Well, family, thanks for joining me. Make sure you like, subscribe, tell somebody about it, and comment. Matter of fact, tell me what you would like to see. What's in your pantry that you would like to see cooked to perfection? There we go right there. Pantry Picks.